Hi, I'm Jeff Tackney.
I'm Jen Tackney.
And
we're
Team
TeamTackney. Today, where are we?
We are at 1650 South Ponders Lane in beautiful Anaheim, California.
We are in Anaheim, California. So much great history in Anaheim, California.
Absolutely.
Disneyland is here.
Yep.
We are very close to Disneyland. We're on an oversized corner lot. What's really special about this neighborhood is Gwen Stefani from No Doubt grew up here, went to the local high school, and it's so cool. This is some Orange County history right here in this neighborhood. We're on an oversized corner lot. We've had additions. How many fireplaces?
Two fireplaces.
So good. It's nice and big on a big corner lot. Great, sweet neighborhood. Come take a look.
No doubt you love that property tour. For your own private tour, call us today. Information below. Bye for now.
Yes! Yes!
There's no doubt.
Hey!
There's no doubt. Yes, Jeff Tackney.
Yeah.
I haven't listened to No Doubt in a long time.
I'm a white guy. Only
we're
the
listening
top
to No
half
Doubt on
or
the
the
way
bottom
home.
half can go at one time. You can't do
one.
both. So you could do like this, or you could do like this, but you can't get both.